beautification of the Ferry Point area at Kortali. This is one of the smaller projects in late Matani Saldanga's manifesto. Today we have laid the foundation stone to start the work, and we are very happy because this project will definitely make this area a little more beautiful because it's going to be paved. There's going to be a tiled parapet wall, and we will have a small pedestal in the center with the fishermen casting the net, because this area is predominantly a fishermen's area. They do a lot of fishing from this area. So we hope that people of the area will enjoy this clean and well-planned area and come and sit here in the evenings to enjoy the breeze and also to enjoy the view, the beautiful view on the other side. Around 10 lakhs 6,000, and our contractor doing this project is Sri Anish G. Marathe, and I have only one request as usual to make with the contractor, and that is that the work should be completed within the stipulated time and it should be quality work, and he has assured us all that it will be done exactly in this way.
काँग्रेस गव्हर्नमेंट आलेले हांव तेन्सान मागतालो आमदारा कडेन की हो लुगार डांबूर घालचो सोलींग घालचो कित्याक हिंग बस येताली एक वचन रस्तो आहलो एक वचन सकयल आहलेलें डेवलपमेंट कांय जावं ना हिंगाचो सो तेन्ना हेच भशेन इलेक्शन टायमार इलेक्शन डिक्लेअर जावचे फुडें हिंग रोबल गायलो सोलींग केलें आनी सोडलेलें आनी मागीर कोड ऑफ कंडक्ट लागून मोडबोलान करूं ना सो आतांय म्हाका दिसता हें जायत पयलीं काम जावपा जाय आसलें जावं ना आनी हांवें मॅडम एक फावट उगडास केलेलो एक काम तें करता तेन्ना हेंवूय कर म्हणून मॅडम म्हणपा लागली पयलीं आपूण सर्कल करता मागीर हें करता म्हणून सो एटलिस्ट इलेक्शन डिक्लेअर जावचे फावट पयलीं तें हें काम हातीन घेयलें म्हणून खुशालकाय तेच भाशेन हांवें तें रिक्वेस्ट केला की हें काम जें करपाक येयलां तेंकां इलेक्शना पयलीं कंप्लीट करचें.